Hello, my name is Stephanie Obi, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons entrepreneurs are launching online courses. Number 1, online courses are helping them to earn an extra stream of income. And let me explain. There are 2 ways it works. You can earn an extra stream of income for your personal brand or for your business. So let me explain. Let's say you are a furniture manufacturer, all right, and you've built a successful business. Like your business is doing well, it's okay, you've tried. Now you can decide that I want to build a personal brand. I want to be known for what I have done, and I want to earn from my knowledge. And let's say you've run your furniture factory for a number of years and you've been able to retain your staff. One of the things that you can teach in an online course is how I've retained staff. And this is a topic that a lot of people who deal with artisans struggle with, because it's difficult to work with that class of people. And you now want to teach people how you've been able to attract artisans and work with them and get them to stay in your organization. Now, this is something that you are creating for your personal brand. That extra stream of income is for you, all right? You can also create an online course for your business. So let's say your company has a training arm. You're a furniture manufacturer and you have a training school. People come and attend classes on how to make chairs, how to make tables. Now, just the way you're having live classes and people are coming to learn how to make chairs and tables, you can also have an online course where you teach people how to create this furniture and they can watch it from everywhere. Because what you find with training is that training is usually limited. People have to come to a particular location, and sometimes the date is not convenient for them. Sometimes the venue is not convenient for them. Sometimes like they can't stay from 9 to 6 and they have to go and do school runs, so they come by 2 o'clock, they're running out. You know, people had going through different issues. And so to scale up the training arm of your business, you can also launch an online course that will be training people from all over the world, from different parts of the country, from different parts of the states that you live in. Number 2, online courses are helping entrepreneurs to serve more customers, and especially service-based entrepreneurs, because no matter what, there will always be a limit to how many customers you can serve. There will always be a limit. There will always be a limit to the number of people who can afford you. Some will say you are too expensive. No matter how much your price is, you might be unreachable to some people. And so you can create an online course to serve that market. Number 3, because we can only be in one place at any given time, there are people outside your city who need a touch of your magic. And you can't be running your business and today you're here, tomorrow you're there, tomorrow you're there, trying to serve people all over the place. You just end up being burnt out. So online course, if you can create an online course, you can serve those customers in other cities who don't necessarily have access to you. You'll be amazed at the number of people who are looking at you on social media, admiring the work that you do, wishing you could mentor them, wishing you could teach them, wishing you could show them your ways. And if you launch a course, wherever they are, they'll pay for it, and you can scale up your service-based business. Number 3, entrepreneurs are launching online courses because it helps them to become recognized as the experts in their field. Now, the thing is, you can be so good at what you do, but if it's only you that knows, it's only you that knows. All right? Opportunities will be going to the people that are known, not the people that are good. Opportunities will go to the people that are known, not the people that are good. So if you teach and you put yourself out there and you say, look, this is what I know. I have gotten results from this thing. I can help you get results from this thing. What also happens is that you're positioning yourself as an expert in that topic. And what you'll find is that you will start to attract a lot more opportunities. I'm talking about paid speaking engagements. I'm talking about high-level consulting gigs. And I'm not just telling you things that I'm thinking about or I've heard about. I'm talking about opportunities that I've seen happen to me and my clients only because we launch our online courses and position ourselves as experts in our industry. If you're saying, oh, I don't really like to put myself out there, I don't really like to, to be out there, what's going to happen to you is that people who are not as good as you are will position themselves as experts in your industry, and they will grab all the opportunities. Whether we like it or not, the world is moved by what we see. It's only God that knows what is inside you. But the rest of us is only what we see on the outside that we use to make judgments. The word of God says that let your light so shine before men. Let it shine before men. That means that if you're good at something, if you have light, please allow it to shine. Position yourself as an expert in that thing so that you can get the benefits of being an expert. Because you're already an expert. You're just not telling us that you're an expert. And maybe a bit scary to call yourself an expert, but if you've been doing something for 5 years, consistently, getting results, you're an expert. Number 4, entrepreneurs are launching online courses because it's helping them to create some more time. Now, if you're good at what you do, if you are good though, customers will be chasing you. You're going to be having training programs, for instance, back to back to back. You will be busy. You will be busy. The question is, that busyness, is it really worth your time? Would you rather spend that time with your children? Would you rather spend that time with your family, with your husband, with your parents? So instead of always, getting trapped with activity, trying to do this, trying to do that, trying to do this, be everywhere, traveling here, traveling there, you can create your online course once, put it up online, and all the people who will previously come to you, please, can you teach me one-on-one? Can you coach me one-on-one? Can you show me this thing one-on-one? And you'll be spending time, spending hours. Instead of it to look at what your children are doing or spending quality time with your children, you're on your phone talking to this person who wants you to advise them, to give them guidance. That's good. It's good to advise and it's good to mentor people one-on-one over DM. But the truth is that it's not enough. It's not enough. There are 100 more people who need your help. And that time you're always spending on your phone, you can be giving that time to your family. You can be giving that time to your friend who is talking to you. You can even just be resting. You can rest. You can rest, because you have worked so hard already. You can rest. And this will also help you to avoid burnout. Burnout is real. Burnout, your brain won't be able to work again because you're tired. But when you have an online course that can earn you money and help you to impact lives without you always physically exerting yourself, you will still be getting the same level of impact, if not more. If not more. If not more. I've seen online courses that people have launched, and every year they keep getting more students. Every year. Today they've trained thousands of people. People are getting great results from their online courses. And this thing was created years ago. Years ago. And it's still impacting lives till now. So you can save your time, really. Last but not the least, entrepreneurs are launching online courses because they want to impact lives with the one-to-many model. A time will come in your life where you say, life is not all about making money. I want to impact lives. And that happened to me some years ago. I used to be an accessories designer and I was really good at what I did. But I woke up one day and said, I want to teach. Like, it was crazy. It was crazy. I just said, I want to teach. People said, really? You want to? I said, yes. I want to impact lives. I want other people to also start a successful accessories business. That's what I want to do right now. And it happens to all of us because a point comes when you now want to have a legacy. You now want to impact lives. You now want to help other people. You now want to empower. You now know that no matter what, I will still succeed. We can still succeed. The sky is large for all of us to fly and succeed in. Now, even though you want to impact life, it doesn't mean that you should now kill yourself or burn out because you want to impact life. With an online course, you can impact hundreds and thousands of people with that one product. With that one product. So it's more impactful because it's scalable. Scalable. You can grow it. You can there's no limit to the number of people who can take your course. Because I find that no matter how passionate you are, no matter how much you really want to help people, and you say, okay, let me organize a training program, it's training. It's training. You'll be tired at the end. And it might not be that sustainable to keep doing it all the time. That's why you see that people who want to impact lives, it's not every time that I'm always doing training programs, because it's even to find the time in your calendar is tough. And then to then always be doing those trainings, always be paying for halls, always be paying for feeding, paying for writing materials, all those things, it costs money, and you can't even impact a lot of people because of the limitations. But an online course, you can impact lives across cities, across countries, across continents. Think about it. These are the reasons why entrepreneurs are creating online courses every day. So if you're saying, okay, Stephanie, I want to launch an online course, but I don't know how to get started, and it looks as if it's techy. It's okay. I totally understand. I've created a resource for you just below this video. Click on the link, enter your name and email address, and I'll send some more resources to you in your mail. If you know anybody who needs this video or who has been talking about this type of thing, but they're not sure how to go about it, please tag them in the comment section, send the video to them. They will thank you for it, because this thing I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. So thank you so much for watching. If you like to hear more about this, please follow me, because I talk about this all the time. In the morning, afternoon, night, I'm talking about online courses. So please follow me and you'll hear more from me. Thank you so much, and see you some other time.